Hello guys, welcome to Rookie Coder. Hope you guys are doing well, and today in this video I am going to teach you to install the OTOBO system in Ubuntu latest version, which is 24 version we have currently. So this is I am going to install in my local system, which is the Ubuntu system is present in my virtual box, and the virtual box is in Mac OS. Okay, so this is completely a local installation, and the production installation or a cloud installation will also be a similar way, but there might be some change in the OS, right? So currently I'm doing it in Ubuntu system, and so let's see how can we do it. So as you can see now, my Ubuntu system is running currently here. You can see here, right? So this is a system. I will check my IP address. It's 192.168.31.145. So I will connect with my terminal, macOS terminal here, and using the SSH. Okay, and here I will log in sudo su. Okay, and I will take the root access. Okay, clear. Let's go into the OPT folder. Okay, currently as you can see there is nothing in OPT, right? So, and after this, in this, what we will do, we will search with OTOBO and OTOBO installation, right? I'll click enter in the browser, and the first link you will get, you can see OTOBO installation guide 10.1 documentation. The latest one is 11.1, but still it is showing 10.1 in like a higher ranking, but we will go through with 11.0. So let's click on this and go to the installation page. See here, introduction, hardware requirement, and click on the installation. Here I have clicked, and you can see this is the documentation, and the commands are available here. You can see we need to read the all instruction, then only we have to fire the commands. As you can see here, here is the how to disable the SE Linux. So SE Linux is only for RHEL and CentOS. So I will also show you by installing the OTOBO in CentOS or RHEL, but currently we are planning into the Ubuntu system. So this step we will skip. Our next step will be this one. From step 1, you can see the download the latest OTOBO release from this site and unpack it. So we will go through one by one commands. The first command, I don't think the fonts are visible to you guys, so that's why I will make some zoom. Okay, and let's copy this one, and as you can copy in this way also. Yeah, okay, so I have copied this, and I will open my terminal. Okay, I will paste it here, and here it will create a two folders. One is OTOBO install and another one is mkdir opt OTOBO. Okay, so let's fire the command ls. Here you can see there are two folders now. One is OTOBO and another one is OTOBO install. Let's make it a little bit bigger, this also. Yeah, okay, so let's come and yeah, I will go to this, copy and paste it here. Okay, we will move to the OTOBO install folder now, and again we will go to the this site and we will download the file. Okay, so you can see wget is for downloading the source files from the respective site, OTOBO site. Okay, so you can see it is downloading now. So let's make it side by side. So okay, here, yeah, and this way, and this way. Yes, so it is downloaded now. You can see, right? It says saved, right? So after that, my next command will be this one, which we need to unpack it. So currently it is packed. You can see tar gz, right? So we need to unpack it. So how we will unpack this one? You just need to copy the tar xz, this one, and paste the command, and then you need to copy the file name. It is available here, right? So copy and paste it here. Okay, so fire the command. Okay, you can see now there are two files. One is folder and another one is our downloaded gz file, zip files, we can say, right? So what we will do, I will go to this folder, copy and paste into the command, enter. You can see all the files and the folders are available in this folder now. Now we need to copy the whole files, whatever the files present in this folder now. We have to copy it into the opt folder, opt OTOBO folder, right? As you can see here they have done, right? So what I will do here, I will just type a command, cp space -r and star. Star means all files we are moving, correct? Copying actually. Then we will type opt and the folder name, which is OTOBO, enter. Okay, the command is executed, and now I will move to the opt and OTOBO file, right? So you can see now all the files are available in this folder. You can see opt OTOBO. Let's go to the new let's go to the second steps. You can see install additional programs and Perl modules. To install OTOBO, we need to resolve some dependencies which are in Perl based. So we have to install some packages and all. So in Ubuntu, you just need to copy and paste this command. It will be the respective required, the dependent packages will be resolved after firing this command. Okay, so I'll paste this and enter, and enter. You can see it will download. It takes some time. Let's wait for some time. But if you currently, my system is Ubuntu, right? That's why there is a command. But if your system is CentOS or something different, then there is a different method. That also I will show in that video. But currently we will focus on this one. It takes some time. Yeah. Okay. It's completed. And then here we need to run this command. Copy and paste. So here it will give some list. You can say these are the required modules we need to install. So there are like a highlight, we can say okay means it is resolved. Wherever the highlight is there with not installed, that package we need to install. Okay, the command is provided here only. You can see this one. I will copy the same thing and copy and paste it here one more time. Okay, and okay, it is installed, right? And we will fire one more time with the same command, and again you can see now we have only two packages left. We'll copy this command, copy, paste, enter. Okay, with the same, this one also we need to do apt, this one, same process, copy and paste, enter. Okay, all good. So I will clear. Now if I run this command, you can see everything is green in okay, but there is one more command left. I will take this with Perl. Okay, copy this and paste, enter. Hope this resolves. Yeah, it is all right. Let's clear this console and fire the same command. Now all are in green state, means all dependencies are clear now. Okay, so let's move to the next command. You can see execute this command to get install the command missing dependencies. Okay, one more time we will fire this one. This will give only the dependent packages. Okay, so currently it has not responded anything given output, so we can go to the next command. Okay, so you can see we need to create the OTOBO user now. Create a dedicated user for OTOBO within its own group. Okay, so you just need to copy this one and paste it here and fire the command. Okay, it is created, and you can see add the user to the web server group. Okay, we need to add this OTOBO user to the web server. Okay, so I will copy this command and paste it here, enter. it is successful. Yeah, after that you can see activate the default configuration file. This also we need to do, because this one is important, as it is all the configuration, it contains all the configurations. Okay, I'll copy this file and paste, or I'll copy this and enter. Okay, see here the next one is configure the Apache web server, right? So here there are multiple commands, but you need to take the respective server, respective distribution command. You can see mine is Debian Ubuntu, so that's why I'm taking this one. These are the above, these are the different commands. So let's fire this, enter. Yes, here we need to type yes and enter. Yeah, it is installing now. It takes some time, we have to wait. Yeah, it is completed, and we'll come to the next command. You can see the Apache is installed now. Now we need to uh, check whether the npm is active or not, right? So let's fire. Yeah, see, it is available and shared in state, right? So let's come here and disable npm event when it is currently active. Okay, so you don't need to like worry. You can directly just blindly just copy and paste this command with confident, and there won't be any complexity. Okay, so I will copy these all things and fire one by one. Okay, after that this we need. Okay, and let's paste this. If you want, I can write a script to do these all things for Ubuntu. It will automatically install everything. You just need to provide some inputs, that's all. Let me know in the comment section. If I got at least 10 comments, then I will definitely write a script to automatically install OTOBO. Okay, see, we have completed till here, and once it is completed, then we need to restart the Apache 2. Here you can see, so it is already saying, right? So what we need to do, we need to copy this one and fire the command here. Okay, yes. After that, see, the next command will be configure Apache without SSL support. We are going to consider this one only, because my OTOBO will be in local. So currently I don't have any SSL certificates. That's why I will continue with this one. If you have SSL certificate, then you can go with these commands. Okay. So currently I don't have. So that's why I'm going with this one. Okay. Configure Apache without SSL support. So I will copy this whole line, copy and clear this and paste it here. Okay, and we'll come here. After that, copy with a paste. Yes, right. And finally we will restart our Apache 2. Apache 2 is just a HTTPD. Okay, now we will skip this one, and then we'll move to the next. You can see we need to set the file permission now. So you just need to fire this one. Fire. Yes. Setting permission, right? So you can see it is completed now. Now it is time to install the MySQL. You can see set up a database, right? So if you have any other databases like MariaDB and all, then you can set up. Currently here what they have done, they have given a MySQL server. So these above commands are for RHEL and SUSE Linux. So currently mine is OTOBO, then mine is Ubuntu. That's why I'm taking this one. Okay, so fire this. Now it will install. Click yes, enter, and then yeah, the next one will be we need to set up a password here. You can see the next command is for setting up password. So let's wait for some time. See, MySQL is installed and it is running, correct? Yes, good. It is also installed. Let's clear it, and the next command will be this one. Now it will log in directly, as you can see. Yeah, I can see it is logged in MySQL. But here what we need to do, we need to set the root user password here. So I will copy this one and here paste. I will paste this one, and instead of the new password I will change this password. Okay, I will change with just root. Okay, enter. Okay, it says okay, and then if it is a MariaDB with the version 10.1, use this instead of following, right? So you can see there are multiple like queries also available for 10 point above 10.1 version. Okay, if it is successful, if the above one is successful, no need to run these all queries. Okay, and now it is time to update these all things, like we need to change some configurations in the MySQL. So I will show you guys. I will clear this. Okay, I will just exit from MySQL. I will clear. So MySQL, I have maintained one file. Yes, you can see. Yeah. So this is the file. You can see nano. I don't think you were able to see this one. Yeah. Yeah, you can see OTOBO MySQL setup and sudo nano etc MySQL conf. This is for Ubuntu guys. Okay, so in this file you need to add this one, and after that you need to add this one, change this one. Okay, so what I will do here, I will copy this line. This is just a file. We need to append these two lines. Okay, so here enter. Okay, and here press enter, and in this line we will add these two lines. Okay, copy and this paste. Okay, and then here you need to save this one. How will you save? Press Ctrl X and S, enter. Okay, after that you need to change this one also. Copy this, paste it here, enter. Okay, there is no file similarly, right? So Control X. So we need to check where it is exactly available. So what we will do first, I'll copy this one, and it may be available here also. You can see etc my see. I also add this following lines to the MySQL server, right? So we just need to find this file actually, uh, where this keywords are existed. Okay, so what I will do, I will go till here, open this cd, paste. Okay, it is not copied actually, slash etc slash mysql. Okay, Acha, there is a command mistake. Yeah. Okay, now I am in the MySQL folder. You can see there are too many files. Okay, let's go to the confd folder first. Okay, enter. Yeah, you can see mysql.cnf is also there, and mysql.dump.cnf is also there. Let's see the content of the each file. What we have, mysql.cnf, enter. Okay, so this is not the right file. Okay, let's see with the mysql dump, mysql d, and enter. Yeah, you can see we have MySQL dump here. In this, below this line we need to add, right? So see here, max allowed packet 16M. So I will clear this one, and I will just type v mysqld mysqld, enter. And instead of 16 we just need to type here 64. Okay, escape, save this one, clear. Okay, this is done. Okay, and after this we have to restart our MySQL. So what I will do here, MySQL, wait, we can also do in this way, systemctl restart MySQL, enter. Okay, so see, I have made a mistake here. Systemctl restart MySQL. Yeah, it is restarted, and let's check the status. Okay, status. Yeah, it is running. So once it is in running state, what you need to do, you need to reboot your system. Why? Because all the configuration will be reloaded. That's why it is mandatory to reload, actually restart actually. Okay, so I'll just type reboot, and it is disconnected. Okay, you can see, and this one is restarting now, you can see. So let's wait for some time, and if it once it is restarted, then again I will connect with my terminal and we will start with the new process. Okay, Pankaj C and password. Okay, so IP address we will check, it is the same, right? So again what I will do, I'll just clear this and I will connect with the same IP, sudo su root clear, come to the opt folder, and after this what you need to do, this is all done now. Okay, if you want to set up a Elasticsearch, you can set up, it is very much easy. So currently I'm not going to set up. If it is for production, then if you need, then you can set up. If you want any video, specific video for Elasticsearch, I will do. Okay, but not now, in some time. Okay, I will skip this one, and after that what I need to do, we can see basic system configuration, right? So what we need to do, IPADDR, we will check the IP address. I will copy this IP address. Okay, and in the browser I will paste this, and slash OTOBO installer slash installer dot pl. You can see I will enter this one, and it is available in the same. You can see localhost OTOBO installer dot pl. Instead of localhost, you just need to type your local IP address. Okay, so that's good. And now I will maximize this one, and I will come to the new tab, which is available in this URL. And here what you need to do, you just need to type or click on next, nothing. Okay, so see, accept the license, and here our database is MySQL, correct? See, MySQL we have, or Oracle or Postgres, correct? So currently our one is MySQL. So installation type, create a new database for OTOBO. So currently we don't have any database created or existing database for OTOBO, so we need to create the new database. So that's why we'll select this one and click next. Okay, so root password we need to mention here. So we have already set the password. So I will just type my password here and just click on the check database setting. So you can see the result of database check successful. The OTOBO user will be OTOBO, and the password is auto generated. You can see here, this is the password for database and the database name. Okay, just click on the next, it will go, and it takes some time depending on the power of your system. So like it will create a database, it will create almost 120 data tables. Okay, so that's why it takes some time, so you just need to wait. Okay, so you can see it is created. Create database and create user also done, grant permissions, processing schema, initial inserts. Okay, so this is done. We'll click next here, and in this here we need to we need to give some specific system configuration details. You can see system fqdn. So if you have admin email, then you can provide here, and organization name also you can provide. So currently I will provide as Vesol. Okay, Vesol, and so I will click next here. Yeah, after that we need to configure our mail configuration, which is inbound and outbound. So currently it is for local, so I am skipping this step now, and just skip this. Yeah, so now it is in the final stage. You can see it is now now the URL is also available. So what I will do, click on the new tab. Okay, I will open this in new tab. You can see it is successfully completed, right? So here I will take this username, okay, and the password, it is available, right? Password is also available. I'll just paste here and login. So you can see, congratulations, your OTOBO system is ready now. Okay, so you can see this is the 100% resolution. If you don't able to see, then I will make it little bigger. Yeah, right. So after the first login, you need to reset your password. Okay, it is mandatory. Where you can reset, you can see, come to the profile section here, personal preference, come to user profile, and the current password you need to set here. This is the current password, and here I will set paste, and new password I will set. Okay, at okay. So sorry, I need to type it at. Okay, here also I will put. Yeah, so here we have right button, click on this. So the password is updated, and we need to log in now, right? So I will log in with the new password. Yes, so you can see now I'm able to log in with the new password, right? So this is all about like how to install the OTOBO system in Ubuntu. So if you have any doubt, please comment, and I will respond immediately if I like continuously on there. Yeah, so thanks for watching my video. So let's see you in the next video. Bye bye.